Hello everyone, myself Nitin Mora from
Nitin Mora, I live at Jangi.
Guys, my name is Shiva Maurya from
Hello
Jangalpur.
guys, my name is Rishi Modanwal. I am from Jangigan Badui.
हेलो गाइस, जैसा कि आपने अभी भी देखा कि बच्चों का इंट्रो हुआ और बाकी का वीडियो आगे है। आप लोग टोटल वीडियो वॉच करिएगा और उसके साथ साथ आई वुड लाइक टू से टू ऑल दैट कि बच्चों को अप्रिसिएट ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि बच्चों को आप अगर अप्रिसिएट करेंगे तो उनको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा। इन फ्यूचर दे विल डू द बेस्ट, वे बढ़िया करने का एकदम प्रयास करेंगे। तो कहने का मतलब है कि गाइस, आप जानते हैं कि ये सभी बच्चे विलेज एरिया से बिलोंग करने वाले बच्चे हैं और हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो आप तो जानते ही होंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ विलेज एरिया स्टूडेंट्स एंड व्हाट इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल्स स्टूडेंट्स। उनके लिए इंग्लिश कितना डिफ़िकल्ट होता है आप रियलाइज़ तो कर ही रहे होंगे, यदि आप विलेज एरिया से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं और हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो मैं आपसे यही कहूँगा कि गाइस, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस। सभी बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और स्टार्टिंग है। कुछ ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट्स इस बार आए हुए हैं जो कि एकदम पहली बार कैमरे का फेस किए हुए हैं, पहली बार कैमरे का सामना कर रहे हैं। तो नो डाउट उनके अंदर जो एक होता है हेजिटेशन, वो कूट कर भरा हुआ है। आप लोगों को जो है वहाँ पर देखने को ज़रूर मिलेगा। लेकिन मैं यही कहूँगा कि जो भी स्टार्टिंग करते हैं उनके लिए एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, चार बार होता है ऐसा, बट इफ़ दे विल कंटिन्यू देयर हेजिटेशन विल रिमूव। तो यदि कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे तो हेजिटेशन धीरे धीरे समाप्त हो जाएगा। तो मैं ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स से, जितने बच्चे वीडियो बनाकर हमारे पास सेंड कर रहे हैं, मैं उनसे यही कहूँगा, यू हैव नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट योर एरर और मिस्टेक मस्ट। बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप स्टार्ट किए हुए हैं, स्टार्टिंग समय के जो है आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो आप लोग अपना बेस्ट करिए। थोड़ी बहुत गलती होगी तो चलेगा, क्योंकि इंग्लिश इज़ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज। तो फॉरेन लैंग्वेज है तो हम लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट तो होगा ही, और कहने हैं स्पीक करने में थोड़ी सी परेशानी का सामना तो करना ही पड़ेगा। तो चलिए गाइस, देखते हैं आगे बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है। आप लोग कमेंट में ज़रूर। Shiva Maurya from Jangalpur, Badui. Let's start the topic. Topic name is water. Water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless liquid. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, and it always flow downwards. Water is a very important thing. Without water, the life is not possible. Every living being needs water to grow. Our body consists of 72% water, so we should drink at least 2 water of water every day. We use water it many way. Use it for cooking, bathing, farming, and etc.
Hi
That's all.
guys, my name is Pradyum Pandey. First, I would like to give special thanks to sir who has given a golden chance to speak me. My name is Pradyum Pandey. I belong to Jangalpur, so I want to say something about this topic. My topic name is water. Water is very important for every person because without water we cannot live. Water is our life. There are two types of water: salty water and sweet water. All peoples, birds, animals like sweet waters. No anybody like salty waters, but I like sweet waters. Water is very liquid and
Hello guys, my name is Rishi Modanwal. I am from Jangigan Badui. Today my topic is water. Thanks for sir for giving me this opportunity. Water is an essential for our life. Without water we cannot live. It is very necessary for human beings. More than 70% area of the earth is covered with water in different form. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing and many other purposes. We get water from different sources like river, well, lake and rain and many other purposes. We should use clean and pure water for drinking and cooking. A hungry man can live for some days, but a thirsty man cannot live one day without water. There are two types of water. First salty, second sweet water. Sweet water is found in underground the land and salty water is found in sea, and water is natural resource for us to live. The amount of saved water on the earth is decreasing day by day, so we should not waste the water. We should save water do not let the tap open. We should not vehicle wash with water, rather we should wash vehicle with wet cloth. So we should also people make aware of increasing population. Thanks for sir for giving me this chance.
Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Bhavano. I am from Kunanpur, Jangigan. Thank you very much, sir, to give me golden opportunity. Today my topic is water. So I am going to speak some sentences about it. Water is the basic requirement for life on earth. We get water from different sources like rain, rivers, wells, lakes, etc. About 71% of the earth is covered with water, and we use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, and many other purpose. And water is needed for agricultural and industrial purpose, and water harvesting will help at the time of water scarcity. And water helps to regulate body temperature, and life is impossible without water. It is rightly said that, and a drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. And water is the driver of nature, so please save it. And there are many types of water. For example, filter water and Ganga water and normal water.
Hi guys,
Thank
my
you
name
very
is
much.
Jyoti Amoya. I am from Kulma Pujangi and Badoy. Today my topic is importance of water. Thank you so much, sir. Give me opportunity to speak me. Let's start the topic without any waste time. Importance of water. First, water is necessary for all living creatures on the earth, from tiny insect to large blue whale. All of us need water for survival. Second, water is very essential for us. We can survive without food for a week, but without water, we cannot be able to survive for more than 3 days. None of creature on the earth would be able to survive without water. Third, we all need water for the day-to-day survival. We need water for cooking, bathing, and keeping our house clean. We also need water for the plant in our surrounding. Fourth, in addition, water is also required for agriculture. Water is required almost in every day in farms. It is good necessary for good harvesting in farms. Fifth, water is also used in many industries. It is required at various steps to production of goods. Sixth, many villages are facing a big problem of drinking water. We can realize this problem and take effect to save water. We all must use water only in the required quantity and avoid wastage of water. 7, with water life on earth won't exist. We all must save water and save life on earth. Thank you, that's all.
I am from Kurmanpur, Jangigan. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me a chance. Let's start the topic today. Topic is water. Water is the most important in our life. Without water, we can't live. Animal and plants are use waters and growth survivals. So human beings are used like drinking, washing, bathing, cleanings, and industries. It is more than 60% of human made bodies of water. So plant, animals, and various other living beings are water for its growth and survival. Water is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless in liquid. More than 30% on surface of earth covered by waters. All living need water to live. So wastage of waters must be avoided. Water is the reason why life exists and growth on earth. Water must be used carefully. If we don't save water today, we will fight for its tomorrow to save water, to save
Myself,
earth.
Nitin Maurya. I live at Jangiganj. My topic is water. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance. Let's start the topic. Water is very important in our life. Without water, we cannot live. Water is present everywhere, such as ocean, lakes, and river in large amount. It is not suitable for drink water. Water used for cooking food, bathing, and washing cloth. As you know that 71% water in our earth, only 3% water is fresh water. In human, 60% water. That's all. Thank you
My name
again.
is Rajan Kumar Pandey. I belong to Jangalpur. First of all, I give a special thanks to sir who has given me a golden chance to speak me. Today my topic is water. So I want to speak some sentence about this topic. So let's start. Water is very important for our daily life. Without water we cannot live, and we cannot wash our cloth, clean our home, and fill our field. So water is very important for our daily life. We do not drink water if we not live at the earth. And water is a colorless liquid. Water is a colorless liquid. Underground water is a pure, and rainy water is also pure. There are two types of water: salty water and sweet water. We like sweet water, not salty water, and we drink daily sweet water. Man is also drink sweet water, animal is also drink sweet water, and bird is also drink sweet water. Any person not like salty water. We store the water for future and do not waste
करना
the
ही
water.
पड़ेगा। तो गाइस मैं अगला आपको टॉपिक दे रहा हूँ। टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इजी टॉपिक। आप कह सकते हैं सर यू आर गिविंग वेरी इजी टॉपिक। मैं कहूँगा यस, क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल से जुड़ें और उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ता रहे। तो टॉपिक नेम इज़ व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ ट्री। जी गाइस, व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ ट्री। आपको इस टॉपिक को घर पर जो है शूट करना है। घर पर शूट करके हमारे इस नंबर पर सेंड कर देना है, और ताकि जो है हमारे पास आ जाए। और मैं आपको 3 दिन का टाइम दे रहा हूँ। 3 दिन में जो है ये वीडियो मेरे पास आ जाना चाहिए। यानी कि ये मान के चलिए आपको इसे मेरे पास सेंड करना है बुधवार को शाम को, वेडनेसडे को शाम तक इस वीडियो को जो है आप लोगों को सेंड करना है।